maybe we should be stopping. We have 2 more songs. We'll just do 2 more songs and then we'll go. All right, does that sound good?
Why?
Because I'm sweaty. So we're going to do...
I thought you meant why do you want 2 more songs? That's the difference between you and me, Dave.
Ralph and Alice.
This is a song that I learned from my friends, the Thursday Night Music Group. I have some friends that we get together every other Thursday night. This group has been going since 1979. Wow. Yeah, every other Thursday night people get together and sing, and I learned the song from them. And I stole it. Many others. Riding shotgun down the Avalanche. Tumbling and falling down the Avalanche. So be quiet tonight, the stars shine so bright on this mountain of new fallen snow. I will raise up my voice into the void. You have left me nowhere to go. I love you so much and it's so bizarre, a mystery that goes on and on and on. This is the best thing and the very most time. We don't get along. After countless appeals, we keep spinning our wheels on this mountain of new fallen snow. So I'll let go of the catch and we're over the edge. You have left me nowhere to go. Riding shotgun down the Avalanche. Sometimes you make me lose my will to live and just become a beacon for your soul. The past is stronger than my will to forgive you or myself.